Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about the large, oversized, the bouquets that we love, but sometimes you need a water source. Maybe it's a super hot day, and creating an oversized bouquet in a holder, very challenging. There's not enough room for the stems. The professional tip for remedying that problem, use 2 holders. Place them side by side, which is perfect for all those elongated oval arrangements you're seeing now. Then just tape it together, making sure it's nice and secure. I tape clear to the top, all the way to the bottom. Then I'm ready to design. At the end, ribbon wrap, cover it, and you'll have a perfect base to give your oversized bouquets a water reservoir.